Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that look almost identical on paper, but they have different spellings, completely different pronunciations, and different grammar rules.
Oh, a triple threat. That is definitely a challenge for English learners. What are the words today?
The words are advice and advise.
Advice and advise. Yes, this is a classic trap, mostly because one is a noun and the other is a verb.
Exactly. Let's start with the pronunciation because that is the easiest way to tell them apart when you are speaking. The word advice is spelled with a C. It ends with an ice sound, advice, like ice in your drink.
Right. And that word with the C and the ice sound is a noun. It is the actual idea, the suggestion, or the opinion that someone gives you. It is a thing.
Now, the second word is advise. It is spelled with an S, and we pronounce it with a buzzing Z sound at the end. Advise.
And that word with the S and the I's sound is a verb. It is the action of giving the suggestion.
Perfect. Now let's look at a real scenario to show how they work together. Imagine you are starting a brand new small business, but you know absolutely nothing about paying corporate taxes.
Oh, taxes are terrifying. If you make a mistake, you can get into serious legal trouble.
Exactly. You need professional help. So you hire a brilliant accountant. You ask him to look at your business plan.
The accountant looks at the papers and he tells you to save 20% of your money every month for the government.
Perfect. Now let's use our two words to describe what just happened. The accountant is performing an action, so he advises you.
Yes, and what does he give you? He gives you excellent advice. He performs the action of advising to give you the object, which is advice.
Here is a very important rule for our English learners, though. It is a major grammar trap that happens with the noun advice.
Ah, you are talking about the plural trap, right?
Yes, in many languages, if someone gives you three helpful suggestions, you can say, "Thank you for the advices." Or you might say, "Can you give me an advice?"
But in English, you cannot do that. The word advice is an uncountable noun. It's like water or air. You cannot count it. There's no such thing as advices, and you cannot say an advice.
If you want to talk about one specific suggestion, you have to say a piece of advice, or simply some advice.
Let me give you a piece of advice. That sounds so natural and so fluent.
Your homework for today: think about the best piece of advice someone ever gave you. Who advised you and what did they say? Practice explaining it out loud in English, making sure to use the ice sound for the noun and the eyes sound for the verb.
Getting the pronunciation and the grammar right on these two words will instantly make you sound more professional. You've got this.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Take our advice and keep practicing. See you next time on Mady English Practice.